Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, hi friends, I can see that the subscribers are gradually increasing, and even I see all are encouraging me by the views. I can see it's 45 views, 87, 300, 299, but subscribers are just 98. So, those who have not subscribed, do subscribe. Who are watching without subscribing, and yeah, I have a suggestion for you all. If you have any doubt related to Python or else any other statements, here you will get an option called as LinkedIn. If you click on this, you will get my particular LinkedIn account. So you can connect with me or else you can message me any doubts if you have related to Python or any other language. And I let me explain you all. In the this is video 6 of Python series. So you can see here video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is already uploaded, and even I have uploaded a vlog video. You can check out it. So in this video we are going to discuss about loop statements. Before that, from video 1 to 5, whatever I have written in my Jupyter notebook, that's available in my GitHub. So this is my GitHub account. Here you can see here that here where is my Python series. Python series. So here you can see Python series. Yeah, Python series. In this video YT1, this is the folder. You all can see here that whatever I have typed in that particular video, I have uploaded that in this GitHub link for your reference. You can check out this. So let's not waste our time. Let us dive into our today's topic, and it's loops. I'm not gonna write any definition in this particular Jupyter notebook. I'm just gonna say, but an article related to loops with an example will be separately uploaded in my Medium account. You can follow me on Medium, and even the article link will be in the description, including the Jupyter notebook. So let's start with our loops concept. Today, first we are going to discuss the for loops. So for letter, it is a variable letter. In, I'll give some string here. I'll take my name is only example. Now print and letter. I'll give my variable here. Before that, let me tell you all an like definition of for loop. It has the ability to iterate over the items of any sequence, such as list or a string. It gets iterated either in list or a string. It has that particular ability. So let's print this particular answer. We'll see what the answer would be. You all can see here current letter is yes. So what happens here is these all strings will be in indexing format. You just understand this is just an indexing format 0, 1, 2, 3. So always indexing format starts with 0. You don't need to get tension about indexing. That one I'll be explaining in the next video, which is lists. Kindly now just understand that this is related to indexing. So first letter in the index is 0. Zeroth index letter is yes. So current letter is yes. Then current letter is A. Then current letter is I. It like iterates to one after another particular string, and then it string value letter, and then it completes the task. You can see here perfectly my name is printed. You can see here there is an error with the spelling. Yeah, let me correct it out. Yeah. So this is for loop. Let's go to another example now. This is example 2. So in example 2, I'll take a variable. First, I'll store everything in particular variable. Roots. is equals to, so this is a list. I'll give as apple. What's your favorite fruit? Do comment it below. So, or else you can try your favorite fruit in the code. I'm taking as dragon fruit. So this is a variable. I am executing this particular variable. You can see a fruits is having a list containing of all the fruits names, all the three fruit names. Now let me take for fruits variable. No, fruit variable. First, I'll take a separate variable fruit in fruits. Then print current fruit. And it will give us this also here. Give the comma and now. uh, So let me execute this. So particularly what happens here is this is this particular variable is fruits. It is stored in the variable fruits. But in for loop, first we have taken a new variable called fruit. In this we have stored this particular fruits values into this fruit. And we have executed this particular fruit at the print statement. It successfully got executed. Let me show you now. Fruits. Fruits. You can see a fruits also it is same. Fruit also. Okay, fruit it's like iterating one after another. The final output fruit is dragon fruit. So it is giving us dragon fruit. So let me take it as 2 and see once. Okay, it's like indexing format. It's taking the indexing format. I'll explain about you this later, but it's gonna store in the particular fruit and then it is gonna iterate one after another particular name of the string. After this comma, it is considered as the another string. So this is index value 0, 1, 2. So that's all for the for loop. Let's go with while loop. A while loop statement in Python program language rapidly executes a target statements as long as the condition is true. So it keeps on executing until the particular condition is true. After that, it is not going to execute. So hashtag while loop, while loop. So example one. So j variable is equals to 1. I'll take the j variable as 1. No, I have to take I, right? So I variable as 1 and then j variable as 5. Anything you can take, but I'm just taking ij. You can even take it as a, b, or else a, l, anything. While I less than or equal to j. Print 5. String 5. I'm not mentioning file value. So after this, I want to like continuously increase the loop. I is equals to I plus 1. So it's nothing but while I is equals to I plus 1, that is nothing but first it checks whether the particular condition value is I is less than j. So 1 is less than 5 obviously. So it's gonna print one time. Okay, 5 times. Like that it is gonna print 5 times because we have given in the j value as 5. If I give here 3 and then if I print this one, you can see here it is gonna print 3 times only. 1, 2, 3. So I hope you understood this example one. Now let's go with example 2. 2. Okay. Notes is equal to 5. So I is equals to 1. Again, j is equals to 5, while I less than notes. Print I I plus or equals to 1. So like I want to continuously iterate that particular loop if it's true. Else, while j less than 2, print this is false statement is equal to j plus 1. Now let's come out of this particular loop and let us give the if statement. If j is greater than I divided by j, print I is prime. Equals to I plus 1. Finally, I want to come out of all loop and print my execute this statement. So it is checking. First, it went to this particular statement and it checked whether it's true or not. While I less than notes, so notes is equals to 5. So 1, 2, 3. It is nothing but let me explain you properly. While I less than notes means 5, notes value is 5. I is 1. Print I. So if it's less than 5, then print 1. Else else go to this particular j statement. Now that's particularly true. 5 1 is less than 5, so it got printed. Then I plus or equals to 1, so it's getting incremented. So 1 plus 1 is equals to obviously 2. 2 less than 5, obviously it's false. No, false, not false, it's true, so it's gonna print 2. 3 less than 5, so it's true, it's gonna print 3. Like that until the particular 5 it is gonna print and it is gonna say you it's a prime number and goodbye. While j less than 2, so now I is over. Let me give this instead of 5 2, enter. J less than 2 is equals to 1 to 4 times. Yeah. The one, this false statement. J is equals to j plus 1 if j is greater than. So it is just gonna check with this particular loop. Let me give this as 6 then, right? Yeah, so I have given you a 6, you can see here. So once this particular loop is false, so it's not less than 5 is 6 is not less than 5. So it goes to else statement, it goes to while loop, then it prints this is false statement, and then it's just gonna come out of the loop. So j is equals to j plus 1, it's not gonna get incremented. So it's just gonna come out of this particular loop. So that's it with the example of example 2 of that particular while loop. And I forgot to mention that do while is not there at Python. Now we'll go with nested loop. Nested loop. So nested loop is nothing but, let me tell you the definition. Actually, nested loop is already over. In this video only it is there. I mean, in this particular previous problem only it is there. So nested loop in Python programming language allows us to use one loop inside another loop followingly until the few statements are illustrated in this concept. Nothing but in one while loop we can use multiple while loops. In one if statement we can use multiple if statements. Like that you can use multiply inside one after another. You can write here while, again you can go here you can write again here. But whichever while you are gonna write, you have to properly indentation end at this particular point. For this, you have to end here. For this, you have to end here, end here. So Python follows the particular indentation error. If there is an indentation error, definitely our code is not going to work. I am saying you all again and again this particular point. Now, if I give this one at here, it is not going to work. It is going to give you indentation error. So this particular code is not going to work. I am just showing you all for an example. That's all. So nested loop example is already over. You can see this is considered as nested loop example 1 because here one while statement is there. Again we have taken here one more while statements. So inside one while there is one more while. You can consider this as done. Now let's go with example 2 of nested loop. I is equals to 2 while I less than 100, j is equal to 2, j less than or equal to I slash j. If not, I percentile of j break j is equals to j plus 1. Break j is equals to j plus 1. Then if j is greater than I slash j, save program. I guess you have heard this particular somewhere. Print I is prime, else print goodbye. Oh, excuse me, friends. Actually, this is that particular same code. I'm writing that particular code again. So this is an example of nested loop. So let me remove this. I'll tell you all one more example. No, no, it's correct. It's correct. If j is greater than I slash j, print I prime. I is equals to I plus 1. Print so I have taken the example as 2 and 3 is prime. I is equals to 2. Let me restart the kernel. Interrupt. Restart. Yeah. So I have given the prime number as 2 while I less than 100. J is equals to 2. While j is less than or equal to I slash j, if not I percentile j, break it. J is equals to j plus 1. If j is true and I is true, increment it. If j is greater than I slash j, print I is prime. So it's like nothing but it's gonna print prime number. You can see here 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 12. Okay. This is an actual example of nested loop. This is example for while loop only, and this is considered as another example for nested loop also. So I know you might have not understood properly this particular nested loop. Check out the article below and try to refer it from this video again, and once more try to do it by yourself by seeing the article below and the documentation. If everything I would teach, then what you are gonna learn. This is the particular assignment for nested loop. So this nested loop, what you're gonna understand, that is your particular assignment. So that's all friends. Thank you. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and encourage me to do more videos like this. Thank you.